Hey everyone, welcome back. Today I have another tutorial for you just in time for Valentine's Day. I'm going to show you how I created this glitter heart design. I use mostly Morgan Taylor polishes for this design. The first one is See You in My Dreams, Walking on Stardust, and Gilded in Gold, and then I just used Essie Black and White. I will have links to all the polishes down below. So I have 2 coats of See You in My Dreams on all my nails except for my ring finger, which I did a white accent to really make the glitter hearts pop. So I'm going to come in with my Winstonia brush and I'm going to do a stripe. An easy way to do a stripe is to make sure you brush off any excess polish off your brush, and then you're going to come and just lay that brush flat and pull, and that will give you a nice crisp straight line. You can do any size hearts that you want. I am doing this one the biggest out of all of them, and I know I want it to be that red glitter because it's really just going to pop, and then the other ones are just a little bit smaller, so I'm just going to do them along the line. You can do various sizes. Mine are all pretty similar. I wish I would have done mine maybe slightly different, but you're going to fill in the hearts and then you're going to clean off your brush and fill in another heart. Just make sure that your polish isn't drying because it's a little bit harder to paint when it's a little bit more dry. I think I added a fresh dab of polish for every 2 hearts or so just to make sure that it wasn't getting clumpy. Finished with your black hearts, you're going to let that paint dry and you're going to come in with your glitter. This red glitter is so pretty. It's from the Champagne and Moonbeams collection from Morgan Taylor. It's called Walking on Stardust, and I just knew it would really give a nice jewel glow, and so I am kind of dabbing that on quite a bit because I want it to have a 3D effect. There is a piece of glitter that's sticking up in here, but that's okay. I'm not going to mess with it right now. I'm going to position it where I want it, and I'll come back when it's almost dry, and with my finger I'll just kind of tap it down really lightly, and that will solve that problem. So now I'm going to clean my brush off and come in with the Gilded in Gold, and this is another beautiful glitter, and I'm just going to alternate the 2 colors on these hearts. And then you absolutely want to wait until these hearts are dry. I would give it at least 10 or 15 minutes, and then you're going to add your favorite shiny fast drying top coat. I'm using Glisten and Glow, and just go over that, and it has this beautiful glitter heart glow, and that's the final look. I hope you guys enjoyed this design. Please let me know if you're going to try it out for Valentine's Day and give me a like on this video, and we'll see you guys next time. Thanks for joining me. Bye.